Good morning, students of class 6. So we had already completed chapter number 7, that is Dr. Dolittle's Money Troubles. We had studied this chapter and today we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. Okay children, so this is the question answers of the chapter. So first question, answer the question. B, first one is, why was it easy for Dr. Dolittle to cure sick animals? Which little things from the field came to the doctor's house? So answer is, it was easy for Dr. Dolittle to cure sick animals because he already knew how to help sick people and he could also speak to all animals. The mice, the moles, and the badgers from the field came to the doctor house. Okay. Question number 2. Why was Dr. Dolittle's house overflowing with animals? Dr. Dolittle loves animals. Okay, he was loving animals. He loves them so much that his home and office overflow with animals of every description. Of all types of animals come to his home and office to cure their diseases. He could understand their language and help them in their troubles. Okay, so the animals came to Dr. Dolittle's. Now question number 3. How did Dr. Dolittle get Chi-Chi? Okay, answer, Dr. Dolittle got Chi-Chi when he saw an organ grinder taking it somewhere and also the rope was tied hard to its neck. When he got Chi-Chi, when he has seen that an organ grinder was taking it to some other place and the neck was tied too hard, इस तरह से टाइट था उसका नेक की जो कॉलर जो था उसका पूरा टाइट था. He has seen that time, so he has given money to the this person and he has taken Chi-Chi to himself. Okay. Now question number 4. On what condition did Dr. Dolittle let the crocodile stay in his house? What happened as a result of this decision? Answer, the crocodile stayed in doctor's house as he promised not to eat the fish in the pond. So how he remained in the house, as he has promised to not to eat the fish in the pond. He also promised not to bite anyone and will remain as gentle as a kitten. Now here reference to the context, question number C. Okay, read the lines and answers these questions. So first one, but he wept such big crocodile tears and begged so hard to be allowed to stay that the doctor hadn't the heart to turn him out. So first one is, who wept and begged to be allowed to stay? So who has spoken this word? Who has done this thing? So the crocodile begged to be allowed to stay. Okay. B, what did he promise the doctor in return? Answer, he promised not to eat the fish in the pond and not to bite anyone. He had promised not to eat the fish in the pond and not to bite any creature. Okay, any animals in his house. Question number C, why did the doctor want him to leave? Why did doctor want him to leave? डॉक्टर क्यों चाहता था कि वो चला जाए? Doctor wants him to leave as the old ladies grew afraid to send their lap dogs to doctor and the farmers said that the crocodile might eat the lambs and sick calves if they sent to be cured. So doctors इसलिए उसको वापस भेजना चाहता था, बिकॉज द ओल्ड लेडीज वर अफ्रेड ऑफ द क्रोकोडाइल, क्योंकि उनके जो लैब के उनके गोद के बच्चे थे उनको अगर भेज देंगे तो फिर ही माइट ईट द dogs. Okay, and the farmers were also not ready to send their sick animals to doctor, as they were afraid that he might eat the lambs and the lambs और calves को वो खा जाएगा, so they were afraid. Now question number 2. I tell you I will not have him around. So question is, who is the speaker of these words? Answer: the speaker of these words is Sarah, the doctor's sister. Who was Sarah? Sarah was doctor's sister. B. Who does the speaker not want around and why? So who does the speaker don't want around and why? किसको पसंद नहीं करती थी सारा कि वो वहाँ पे रहे? The speaker did not wanted the crocodile. Here spelling is mistake, children. Okay, wanted, it will be wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D. Okay, so correct that spelling. Didn't wanted the crocodile around, as the farmers and the old ladies were afraid to send their animals to the doctor, as they were beginning to be well off again. As she was afraid that everything will be ruined entirely. AFRAID. Okay, here again AFRAID it will be. So the speaker did not wanted the crocodile around as the farmers and the old ladies were afraid. वो इसलिए नहीं चाहती थी because the Sarah was not wanting the and crocodile to live there, because she knew that the old lady and the farmers were afraid to send their animals to the doctors, and she was also afraid that if this condition will prevail, अगर ऐसा ही रहेगा तो फिर हमारी जितनी भी मेहनत थी, हमारे अब लोगों ने जो मनी अभी इकट्ठा किया, हमारे अच्छे दिन आए हैं, because they both were poor. Okay, doctor was poor, but when the animals started to come and he become, the money was coming to his house and he was having money. Okay, so what had happened? So money was coming, so everything was मतलब सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा था. तो सारा जो उसकी सिस्टर थी उसने सोचा कि अगर ऐसा कंडीशन रहा तो फिर से हम लोग की बुरी स्थिति आ जाएगी. ओके, सो शी सेड दैट एवरीथिंग विल बी रूइंड इंटायरली, बर्बाद हो जाएगा सब चीज़. ओके, ये अफ्रेड ऑल्सो स्पेलिंग सुधार लेना बच्चा, AFRAID. ओके, इम्प्रूव दिस स्पेलिंग, करेक्ट दिस स्पेलिंग. ओके, now see, are the speaker's demands met with? Give reason for your answer. No, the speaker's demands were not met with. The crocodile does not like the circus, and doctors had not money to send him back to Africa, where he comes from. So why did the speaker demands not met with? No, the speaker demands were not met with. उसको बाहर crocodile को नहीं भेजा गया. And why it was not done? Because the doctor knew that the crocodile did not like the circus. जहाँ से वो आया था वो उसे पसंद नहीं करता था. क्रोकोडाइल सर्कस से वो आया था, वो उसको पसंद नहीं था, और डॉक्टर के पास उतना मनी नहीं था कि उसको फिर से अफ्रीका भेज दे जहाँ से वो आया था. ओके, नेक्स्ट, मनी इज़ अ न्यूसेंस, ही यूज्ड टू से. we would all be much better off if it had never been invented. What does money matter so long as we are happy? Who said these words? Who said that the money is a nuisance? किसने ये बोला? So the speaker, the words are spoken by the Dr. Dolittle. Okay. B. Why did he say this? He said it because he was becoming poorer than he had ever been before. Why did he say that? Because he was not thinking that money बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. उसको लगता था कि मनी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. ओके, he said it because he was becoming poorer than he had ever been before. With all these mouths to fill, he was not having in the money to pay the bills. But to give comforts to the animals, he said this. Okay, but animals जो थे वो लोग थोड़ा सा वरी हो रहे थे. So he was thinking that to give the comforts to the animals. He thought that money जो है वो ट्रबल करता है, उसके चलते सब प्रॉब्लम होता है. So अगर मनी का इन्वेंशन नहीं होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. बट टू गिव कम्फर्ट्स टू द एनिमल्स लोग को तो नहीं पता है कि मनी का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. बट देन ऑल्सो ही ट्राई टू गिव कम्फर्ट्स टू द एनिमल्स कि वो लोग परेशान नहीं हो. एंड सो ही नीड नॉट टू वरी, और सो दे नीड नॉट टू वरी, इसलिए वो उन्होंने ऐसा बोला. सी हाउ डिड द स्पीकर थिंक दे वुड मैनेज विदाउट मनी. स्पीकर हमारा जो डॉक्टर थे वो कैसे मैनेज करते विदाउट मनी हो. सो the speaker thought they would manage without money as hens were laying eggs and the cows gives milk. उनको पता था कि हेंस जो है हमारे पास जितने भी हेंस है वो ले एक कर रहे हैं, जिसे खाकर हमारे जो एनिमल्स है वो बचेंगे. एंड द काउ गिव मिल्क, और काउ जो है वो मिल्क दे रहा है. तो मिल्क जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, छोटे एनिमल्स है, दे कैन सर्वाइव ऑन मिल्क. वो लोग मिल्क पीकर रह सकते हैं, छोटे बच्चे जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं एनिमल्स के. सो उनको लगा कि जब तक ये चीज़ है तो हम लोग भूख से नहीं मरेंगे. एंड देयर वर प्लेंटी ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स लेफ्ट इन द गार्डन, एंड वेजिटेबल्स वर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द गार्डन. सो ही वॉज श्योर दैट दे विल नॉट स्टार्व. सो इसके चलते वो लोग श्योर थे कि दे विल नॉट स्टार्व, वो लोग भूख से नहीं मरेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो राइट दिस आंसर्स इन योर notebook. Okay, write neatly in your notebook. There was 2 mistakes, correct that spellings. Okay, and write it down in your copy and learn it. Okay, learn it also, soon your examination will start. So today this was the question answers of the chapter, and in next video we will start with the new chapter. Okay, till then stay at home and be safe. Thank you.